California Braille and Talking Book Library in collaboration with Adaptive Technology Services. Explore 5 Video Magnifier by Humanware. Tutorial. Simple but powerful, the Explore 5 will always be there when you need it. This portable and compact tool will magnify any printed or handwritten text. You will be able to access graphics, photos, and any printed or handwritten information in hard copy format. What's in the box? 1. Explore 5. 2. Carrying case. 3. A USB cable. 4. Power adapter. 5. User guide. 6. Warranty sheet. 7. Microfiber cleaning cloth. 8. High-resolution video output cable. Layout and orientation. Hold the Explore 5 with the screen facing you. There will be one button on the front left of the screen and 3 tactile buttons on the right. On the top right edge of the Explore 5 is the power button. The left button on the front face is the contrast button. The right-hand buttons on the front face are top button, zoom in plus, middle button, zoom out minus, bottom button, freeze image orange button. On the back of the Explore 5, you will find the camera, 2 LED lights, handle. The top left side of the Explore 5 has the power port. The top right side of the Explore 5 has the high-resolution video output cable port. Charging the Explore 5. 1. Find the power adapter, power brick. 2. Insert the larger side of the USB cable into the power adapter. 3. Insert the smaller side of the USB cable, the micro USB connector, into the Explore 5 power port. The single bump on the connector must face up. Note: if the cable is not going in easily, don't force it. Just flip it over and try to fit it in the port one more time. The cable should go in with very little effort. 4. Plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. It should take approximately 3.5 hours to recharge an empty battery with the device off and 4.75 hours if using the device. A fully charged device has 3 hours of battery life if used continuously. It is also possible to use a computer to charge your device. Simply connect the USB cable to a computer instead of the power adapter brick. The device might take longer to charge depending on the amount of power supplied by the computer. Turning the Explore 5 on or off. Using the power button. 1. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn on the Explore 5. 2. Tap once to turn off the Explore 5. Using the handle. 1. Hold the Explore 5 with the screen facing you. Contrast button on the left, zoom in plus, zoom out minus, and freeze buttons on the right. 2. Feel a gap on the lower left back side of the device. 3. Place your finger in the gap, open, and flip the handle to the right. 4. Close the handle to turn off the Explore 5. To turn on the device again, either open the handle or press and hold the power button. Using the handle as a hands-free stand. The Explore 5 handle can be used as a hands-free stand. The stand will hold the screen at an easy-to-read angle when placed on a desk or table. 1. Hold the Explore 5 with the screen facing you. 2. Place your fingers on both the right and left edges of the handle at the back of the Explorer 5 and pull the handle open and away from the device. Place the device over the text or image to be viewed. 3. Return the handle to its closed position to turn off the Explorer 5. Magnifying Mode. This is the Explorer 5's primary mode of operation. Point the device at what you want to see and adjust the magnification and contrast to your needs. Adjust magnification. 1. To increase magnification one step at a time, tap Zoom In plus, top right-hand button. To increase the magnification quickly, press and hold the Zoom In plus button. 2. To decrease magnification one step at a time, tap Zoom Out minus, middle right-hand button. To decrease the magnification quickly, press and hold the Zoom Out minus button. Note, Explorer 5 has a magnification range between 2x and 22x. Change contrast. 1. Press the contrast button to change the contrast of the text and background. Press it repeatedly to cycle through the different contrast schemes. They are by default full color, black on white, white on black, black on yellow, and yellow on black. Note, it is possible to add or remove contrast color schemes. This topic will be addressed in the Settings menu section of this tutorial. Summary. To charge the device, plug the larger side of the USB cable into the power adapter and the smaller micro USB connector into the power port of the Explorer 5. Plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. If using a computer to charge the device, plug the larger side of the USB cable into a computer instead of the power adapter. Turn on or off the Explorer 5 by pressing and holding the power button on the top right edge of the device. Use the handle to turn on or off the device. Flip it to the right or open it vertically to use it as a stand. Tap or press and hold the Zoom In plus button, top right-hand side, to increase magnification. Tap or press and hold the Zoom Out minus button, middle right-hand side, to decrease magnification. Use the contrast button, left side of the screen, to cycle through contrast color schemes. Line and blinds features. Use these features to better track the lines you are reading. The line mode shows a horizontal line on the screen to make it easier to stay on the same line of text as you move the device across a document. The blinds mode hides the top and bottom of the image on the screen, so the device only shows a horizontal window of the image in the center of the display. 1. Turn on or off the line feature by pressing the contrast and Zoom In plus buttons simultaneously. 2. Turn on or off the blinds feature by pressing the contrast and Zoom Out minus buttons simultaneously. Freeze an image. This is a helpful feature when trying to access images that are difficult to reach. For example, you might want to see a price tag on a shelf. You can freeze the image, then bring it to a distance that allows you to read the information. You can also enlarge the image and save it for later review. 1. Press and hold the freeze button, bottom right-hand orange button. 2. Adjust the magnification of the image by pressing the Zoom In plus or Zoom Out minus button. 3. Press the freeze button again to return to magnifier mode. Save an image. 1. Press and hold the freeze button on an image. Note, images can be saved in either the magnifying or freeze mode. View gallery. Saved images are stored in the gallery. When you are viewing an image in the gallery, it is called the gallery mode. Instructions to quickly access the gallery are listed below. You can also view saved images using the Settings menu. 1. Press and hold the contrast and freeze buttons simultaneously to enter gallery mode. 2. Press the Zoom In plus or Zoom Out minus button to cycle through the saved images. 3. Press the contrast button to exit gallery mode. Delete images. 1. Go to the gallery. Press the contrast and freeze buttons simultaneously. 2. Navigate through the images with the Zoom In plus or Zoom Out minus button. 3. Delete the image by pressing the freeze button. 4. Confirm deletion by pressing the Zoom In plus button. 5. Cancel deletion by pressing the Zoom Out minus button. 6. Press the contrast button to exit gallery mode. Note, you can delete all images at once using the Settings menu option, Delete Gallery. Summary. Turn on or off the line feature. Press contrast and Zoom In plus buttons simultaneously. Turn on or off the blinds feature. Press contrast and Zoom Out minus buttons simultaneously. Freeze an image. Press the freeze button. Save an image. Press and hold the freeze button. Use gallery mode. Press the contrast and freeze buttons simultaneously. Cycle through images in gallery mode. Press the Zoom In plus or Zoom Out minus button. Delete images from the gallery. Press and hold the freeze button. Press the Zoom In plus button to confirm or Zoom Out minus button to cancel deletion.